We're here at Royalton Splash, Riviera Cancun. This is the rooftop terrace. This space, one, can accommodate smaller groups or large groups depending on the layout. It's fantastic. Large groups of up to 220 comfortably with a dance floor. You have an area with private bathrooms. You have ocean view. And you also have access to an indoor lounge with air conditioning. So we'll do a 360 here in a minute. So you can have your your ceremony here. If you're having only ceremony, there is an extra cost. However, if you're going to have your cocktail and your reception, then there's no cost for cocktail or reception. So this space is hardwood. You can see them setting up a dance floor right now. There's these columns in the middle and then another area in the back. So for a reception, if you're a smaller group, you could use only one area and you wouldn't feel lost. And I'm just gonna head over here for a moment to show you the lounge area. So let's say you have older guests or people that just need a break and need AC. This also comes as part of the venue. So you can use this area here. There's also a very small bridal suite off of the other side, which you also have access to. So once again, Royalton Splash, rooftop wedding venue. Subscribe to our channel. Let us know if you have any questions. We are Hola Weddings.